Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Kudret. Today we have a new device from the SMOK company. It's named with the Morph Pod-40 kit. Packages look like this. It's classic SMOK mods. Here is all the details from the mods. There's a 40 watts device, Type-C charging. As you see here, 2000 mAh battery inside there, 3.7 ml liquid capacity, adjustable airflow, and there's a 2 RPM coils coming inside. And inside the packaging there is a one USB menu. If you want, you can read this one. There is a one Type-C charging cable, and there's a two of like a kind of security and for potential cards. And there's a one coil coming inside there, which is this is 0.60 ohm. As you see here is like a more like a kind of MTL wise, like a loose MTL wise. Base is 25 watts, triple coil, as you see here. And the other one is inside of my pots, inside still there and full of liquid, that's why I didn't take it out. It's inside there is a 0.40 ohm. That's also 25 watts, as you see here, pot system. This is a 3.7 ml liquid capacity in this one. Of course it was in my hand, it's nothing leaking or something. I was just doing things, that's why it is a little bit liquid on there. I just cleaned it. As you see here on the two sides flat is like a fitting on there, is really nicely done. And here is all the magnets, and the fitting is really nice, as you see it. It's not a problem at all. There is a filling ports on the top. It is really nicely done and easily to fill it up your liquid, 3.7 ml liquid, like I say. And there is a 510 drip tip here. It is not removable, and then you cannot use your own 510 here. And this is the pot himself, and here is the mods. It's a little look like nice pot here. Like I said, there is an adjustable airflow, really nicely done here. You can easily open it and close it here. And as you see here, Morph Pod-40 is kind of leather wise here, and here's like a kind of aluminium. As you see here, SMOK logos. I can take this out. Is really nicely done. 100 here, 2000 mAh battery and a Type-C charging. I say there's a 3 hole for batteries up there, and in front of here is full of power button, nice and big. Click here. It look like a IP67, like a waterproof, but it's not like a waterproof or something. It's just like a look it is, but still nice. And there is our screen on the front, up and down button up here. It is really small up and down button, or not small, like a too much together. Like when you have a big finger here, you will have a problem. Like I say here, 40 watt device, it can go up to 40 watts like this. Then there is a round robin from the 5 watts. It goes so fast and easy. On the screen they put them name on the top. There is our how many seconds, there is a wattage, ohmage, puff counter, and a battery showing up there here. If I press up and down button in the same time, as you see here, wattage locked fully, and I cannot change the wattage now. If I press another time, it's really fast recommending to back to us, as you see here. If I press the fire button and down button in the same time, here power puff clear. I say no. Up and power button in the same time, there is nothing is going on. If I click this one 3 times, there's a power lock. It's nothing gonna fire now. I can put the pot on, and as you see here, if I click 3 times again, it's unlocked. Now I can fire it. If I click 5 times power button, I have to click fast 5 times behind each other. As you see here, flip the screen. As you see all the letter up here, which side, you can just turn it them on that side. If you want, I can do it like up you keep press holding, and if you click 5 times again, you can change which way you want. As you see here, I'm gonna put like this now. If I click 5 times again and click again one more time, here is like a brightness of our screen. And if I click one more time, power on and off, and I say no, that's it. It's simple menu, nicely done. And then there is a 4 different way you can put your all the screen wise, and everything is nicely done, small, not too big. And I can put some next to SMOK Morph 4 here, as you see here. If I can put some like a regular mode, some from the Inokin Chroma R, as you see here as a comparison size, nicely done. Let's vape. If you want, we can see and we can talk about it more. Yeah, that was the SMOK Morph Pod-40 kit. It looks like it is really nice looking device. I really like it, especially like this kind of banding here is nicely fitting on the hands. Let's vape. I have a full airflow is open, 22.5 watts, 0.40 ohm coil inside. Let's vape. I'm gonna put a little bit up to 25 watts. As you see here, airflow is still full open. This is much better. I'm gonna put halfway close the airflow, as you see it. Yeah, we all know about the RPM coils. Like most of the SMOK devices are using RPM coils now. Of course, old, if you had already from the old device RPM coils or RPM RBA or something, you can use all the old coils on everything up here. And with this one, there is a couple of different things like adjustable airflow here, and from top fill 3.7 ml liquid capacity, and then look nice on this one. I wish they did it like we can use our own 510 drip tip up here, but you cannot use it. Of course, they have to make mistake all the time. One of things, they cannot put everything in one device. Nice screen on the fronts on here, nicely done. Fire button on the fronts, 2000 milliampere power battery. It's really nice. You don't have any problem with it. With the adjustable airflow control, RPM coils, like I was always fun about RPM 2 coils, but now is RPM coils with the adjustable airflow. It's much better than a normal one. I think this is like this is much better. I find it more nicely, smoothly vaping and everything, especially with the, if you are like a MTL users or something. If you want a tight vaping and everything, you can put a closer adjustable airflow, and then you can use it like that. Then you don't have any problem. I wish they did it like we can use our own 510 drip tip, because this drip tip is little big for the MTL users. I wish we could have put like our own 510 drip tip. That's it. I don't have any complaining about this pods. Everything is nice, small, compact for the summertime. Not a problem at all. Maybe it could have been like a IP67, but it's gonna be heavier than this. Then it is really lightweighting and everything. I don't have any problem with it. I can recommend it all of you, especially if you are RPM coil users, RPM coil lovers. You will love this device with the adjustable airflow. I love it anyway. That's it. I think all the device we can talk about the device. If you like the video, you know where is the button. If you want to subscribe, and if you want to support me, you know where is the button. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.